If you want to learn how to make an incredibly delicious fettuccine alfredo pasta, keep watching. Firstly, in a large cooking pot, add in around 3 cups of boiling hot water along with a pinch of salt and stir it well to combine. Unbox your spaghettis and you can break them if you like. I broke around 50% of my noodles while I boil the rest of it as it is. Then add in 2 tablespoons of oil just to avoid the pasta from sticking together. Boil the pasta just until it is semi-cooked. Meanwhile, we will make our chicken. So firstly, in a cooking pot, add in around 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil or corn oil. Then add in 1 medium-sized diced onion and 4 to 5 garlic cloves, which have to be evenly chopped. Fry them just until the onion starts to change its color and you can feel the garlic aroma. Once the garlic and onion have been fried completely, now we'll start adding our chicken. I used around 500 grams of boneless chicken and I chopped it into cubes. We'll fry the chicken in the garlic and the onion just until the chicken changes its color and turns white. Now at this point, we'll start adding our spices. Firstly, we'll add 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder. Along with that, a half teaspoon of black pepper. You can even add more if you want it more spicy. Then we'll add oregano. You can even skip this if you don't have it, but I will prefer adding it because it adds a very nice Italian flavor. Stir that really well. At this point, add around 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, which I forgot to mention earlier. Now we'll add 1 tablespoon of tomato puree and mix that really well to combine all of the ingredients. And lastly, we'll add 1 tablespoon of salt. You can add that according to your taste. Meanwhile, our pasta has been boiled. I have drained the pasta water and strained the noodles. Okay, so meanwhile, we'll prepare our white sauce. Firstly, in a large pan, add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil, along with that 2 to 3 chopped garlic cloves and 1 packet of heavy cream. You can even use heavy cream by milk pack. Here I'm using Puck's heavy cream, and stir that really well. Do not let the garlic burn. Next, we'll add in our milk. I used around 1 cup of milk. You can even use more if you want more saucy. Now for the seasonings, I'll be adding 1.5 teaspoon of red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of pepper and oregano for the flavor. You can even skip the red chili flakes over here if you do not want your sauce to be very spicy, but I wanted it spicy. Then we'll add in 1 chicken cube by Maggi. Now you can use the Knorr chicken cube as well. Just make sure to crush it so that it does not form lumps. I also added powdered red chili. Now you can skip this if you want, but it will give a really nice flavor to your pasta. Now at this point, we'll add in our chicken. The chicken itself is so delicious, but do not be tempted to eat it before adding it into your pasta. Now we'll add in our boiled pasta and we'll let this cook for a while because we semi-boiled our pasta. We did not boil it completely. So now at this stage, we will coat the pasta into the sauce and let the pasta absorb the sauce as well as cook evenly. Now this step is optional. If you want your pasta to be extra creamy, so go ahead and add in around 1.5 tablespoon of cream cheese. Otherwise, you can even skip this step as it's totally optional. Here our pasta is ready. It's extremely delicious, and if you let the pasta cook for a while, it will completely absorb the sauce. Here I'm topping it off with some olives to make it more presentable. Now you can skip this step as well if you do not have olives at hand, and our extremely delicious and decadent pasta is ready. Enjoy!